To replace the plunger, you need to push this up inside the tap to make the little stick pop out. So hold it down and push it off, or sometimes it pulls off. Then you unscrew the top, take the spring out, and notice that the spring is wider at the top than the bottom, and the bottom, the narrow piece, goes to the base when you put it back in. Remove the plunger and the tab is empty. Put the new plunger in, push it in. Try to notice where the little notches are so you know how to put the new lever back on. Put the spring in, small side to the bottom. Screw the top back on. And then push that back up and push the little notches, on the lever need to slot back in the notches on here, and there it is.